Greetings to Puan Azima binti Musafar, and we are from the DDT 1B and from the group 5. And today, the purpose we came here today is to present about the gradient of the tangent. And starting by with Harish,
Today I'm going to present about tangent to a curve.
and me going to give an intro about equation of the tangent. And next starts with the shape.
And I will explain about the example of equation of tangent. And my friend Roman,
And lastly, I will explain an example for normal to curve.
And also, I'll be giving intro about the normal to curve. That's all from us. Thank you.
thank you.
Hi. Good day, Puanar Azima. My name is Arush Raghavendran Analalaki Murugesan. My matrix number is 01DDT22F1131. And for today's presentation, I am going to talk about a tangent to a curve. So, firstly, we describe the tangent line as a line that just touches the curve at a particular point, and that is a slope describes the grading of a curve. At that point, we also said that we can find this gradient by differentiating the function. So if our graph f of x equals to x squared of the gradient at any point, x is given by its first derivative f dash x, which is equals to 2x. So when x equals to 3, the gradient f dash 3 equals 2 times 3 equals to 6 occurs. So we already know how to find the tangent of a curve. Let's see an example for how to find the tangent of a curve. Let's see the example. Given equation of quadratic curve fx equals to 3x squared minus 4x plus 3. Find the gradient of tangent on point 1, 2. Fx equals to 3x squared minus 4x plus 3. F prime x equals to 6x minus 4. F prime 1 equals to 6 multiplied by 1 minus 4. And the answer will be 2. The gradient of tangent on point is 1, 2. That's the end of my part. Thank you.
Hi, greetings to Puan Razima binti Mustafa. I'm Praveen Raj, son of Subramaniam from DDT 1B, and my matrix number is 01DDT22F1052. Okay, so according to the topic of the gradients of tangents, and I'm here to give an explanation about subtopic which is about equation of tangent. Okay, let's talk about the equation line formula being y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1 close bracket, which for to know one point on a certain on a line and slope of the certain line. In order to apply the formula, we should find the point on the curve and its slope. And the basic explanation of the calculation will be given my friend Shay.
Assalamualaikum Puan Nur Azima binti Mustafa. Hi, I am Sheikh Rafiq bin Muhammad Rafiq. I number matrix 01DDT 22F1133. Today I will present the one of the example of question equation of tangent. Now we move on to the question. The question is, what is the equation of the tangent to the curve fx equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1 that is parallel to the line equals to 4x plus 1. Now we move on to the solution. First, we First, y equal to 4x plus 1 is in has the same gradient as the tangent. And the tangent will have a gradient m equal to 4 because uh, the, f- the integer before x will indicate the gradient of the line. So the gradient of the equation y equals to 4x plus 1 is 4. Once the straight line is parallel to the tangent, so gradient also must be same. So the gradient of tangent must be 4. So we differentiate the quadratic equation x square minus 2x plus 1, and we will get after once we differentiate the equation, we will get 2x minus 2. From the solution above, we know that the gradient of tangent is equal to 4. So 2x minus 2 equals to 4. Once we solve the solution, solve the equation, we will get x equal to 3. So once we get x equal to 3, we substitute into the quadratic equation. So we will get we get a 4. The 4 is the y value, and the x equal to 3 is x value. So the coordinate of point M is equal to 3 and 4. 3 is indicates the x-axis, and 4 is indicates the y-axis. Now we move on to the step 3. Now we substitute the coordinate m and the gradient of the tangent into the standard form of straight line equation. The standard form of the straight line equation is y minus y1 equals to m. M is mean m x minus x1. The y1 and x1 is indicates we can get it from the coordinate that intersection between the tangent and the curve, and m indicates the gradient of the tangent. So once we substitute all the value, we will get y minus 4 equals to 4, uh, close open bracket, x minus 3 close bracket. So when we solve the equation, no, when we solve the equation, we will get y equals to 4x minus 8. So the last answer will be the equation of tangent will be y equals to 4x minus 8. This is will be the last answer. Thanks, and that's all for me. Thank you.
Greetings again to Puan Razima, and I'm Praveen Raj, son of Subramaniam, and my message number 01DD22F1052. And the purpose, and I'm here again, is to give an explanation about subtopic under the gradient of tangent, which is normal to the curve. And if you have a tangent to the curve at this point T, and the normal to the curve at this point is the line that is perpendicular. So it right angles to the tangent, and now to find the equation of the normal to the cube again, it uses the equation of the line formula. The point will be the same, but the gradient needs a little drag. And for this, we need to use the perpendicular gradient formula, which is we have two gradients, which is m1 and mt, representing the normal and the tangent, but respectively then m1 and mt are perpendicular if m1 times mt equals minus 1. And that's all from here. The furthermore will be given explanation by Soman.
Thank you to my friend Praveen, and a good day again to Puan Noor Azima and to my fellow friends. Now I'm going to continue this presentation with another sample question for normal to the curve. Our question now here states that what is the normal to the curve for the function fx equals to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 2 at the point 1, negative 2. We already know from the question that x1 equals to 1 and y1 equals to negative 2. So now we just have to find the gradient of the normal. The gradient of the curve is the derivative of the curve, so dy dx equals to 3x squared minus 4x minus 3. So we get the gradient of the curve at the point 1, negative 2 to be dy dx, which is equals to 3 times 1 square minus 4 times 1 minus 3 equals to negative 4. Then we take this gradient of tangent and substitute in perpendicular line formula, which is explained by Praveen earlier, and he said that the perpendicular line formula is mt mn equals to negative 1. If we solve this, we will get our gradient of normal, which is 1 over 4. Subbing in the values to the equation of a line formula, we have y plus 2 equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by x minus 1. If we simplify this equation furthermore, then our final equation of normal will be y equals to x over 4 minus 9 over 4. And that is how we solve this question. Thank you for now.